Programming, we'll try to learn about the Python variables. There are three types of variables: local, global and non-local. So local has a scope within the function, and global it will be throughout the file, and non-local it is within the nested function. So we'll see an example to this. So if you have a local and global variable, the local variable will have high precedence. So for example, this is a code to understand. So this is a local variable I am declaring. I am just printing here. So this will be printed first. Then where the code of execution will go, from line number 8 it will go to line number 9, and these functions will not be 11 to 34 will not be executed, because these are all functions. If you are not aware of the functions, you can see the previous video. So now after that it will directly come to line number 36. So line number 36 has local fun. Local fun is this function. So it will, from there it will come to this line number, and it will try to print this inside local fun local. So it will try to print this value 10. We will try to run the output and then we will see, so we understand it better. So as we saw, first it is printing the local variable, then immediately it is printing the local func value. After local func, it will come back to this line number 37. 37 it has global function, so it will go to global function here. In global function it will print int global and local. So the local variable is 10. So it will print the value 10. After printing that, it will come to line number 38. 38 is we are initializing. So go to line number 21. Here I am giving global and local function, and then I am giving this. So this will take the value of local, that is 10. You see, it takes 10. Then it comes back to local int. In local int, I have given local and 20. So it will not take 10, it will take 20. So see, that is the difference between local and global. That is the main difference. So that's why I have initialized a variable, and without initializing a variable, given an example. Then after that it comes to nested function. This nested function, we are going to see non-local variable. So after this it will come to this function, it will come to local, and it will print this first. So this will have 30, because this has the higher precedence. It won't print 10 because it is a local variable. After that it won't execute this, it will directly execute line number 33. 33 is one more function, so it will go here, and it will try to print this value instead local. Local, what value it will be? It will take this 3. So to take 30. To take this 30 only, we are giving non-local. After that we will comment this non-local and check what happens. So this 30 plus 1 is 31. So you have got this 30, and then modified value is 31. Then after executing this, it comes out of this and it prints this end function. So now I am trying to remove this function. Remove this line, and now we will see. It should give a compilation error, because there is no scope for this local variable. You see, it gave an error. But since it's an interpreter, it executes all the other lines. It is executing up to nested func. Line number 27. Up to line number 27 it has executed. Then after that it has come to this function, and it went here. While printing line number 30, it got an error. See, this is the call stack. You can use backtrace is nothing but a call stack. This shows the last executed value is this local, but how it is called, you can see. It is called from next func. See, from next func. In the main file, it is called next func. It went to next func. From next func, it has called within next func. Inside that, line number 30. Exactly line number it will show. So this, it says cannot assign local variable where it is not associated with the value. So two ways you can fix it. You can fix like this. See, it has printed. Now it has taken this local value. Other way you can fix it is global. So it should take 10. See, it has taken 10, but we need to use non-local to take the immediate outer value assigned. That is, immediate outer value for this is 30. So this is how we can use. I will compare, right? Sorry, I didn't remove the comment. See now. So I'll just recap. So there are three variables: local, global and non-local. Local has the higher precedence than the global. Global, you can access it anywhere. If you want to use global within function, you have to use the keyword global. And if non-local is to get the scope within the function. It is nested function. So otherwise it will not work. So that's the scope. If you don't have, so if you don't have a PC or laptop, you can just directly use this online editor. Here also you can run the same thing. See, try changing this line number 29 with global, local, assigning everything. Then you will be clear with the variable assigning and how to use it. So this is the very important concept. So whenever you write any program, you will need this local, global and non-local. Thank you.